The other day I was talking to a client, and I love when I hear things like this. They were really happy that they were getting more profitable on their water jobs in particular because something that they implemented that I recommended. Here's the thing. So many times I hear people in our industry complaining about the insurance companies, complaining about their employees. Those two things alone, they're naming as the number one reason they're not nearly as profitable as they could be or as they should be in this industry. And I think it's a lot different than that. I really don't think in most cases that's at the heart of the problem. I think the real problem is not paying attention to the sketch, the scope, and the review of the job estimate until after the job is done, as opposed to on day one or day two. Because think about it, if you're looking at all those details on day one or two, you get to figure out what specialty equipment is missing, if they've got enough equipment on the job. If there are things that they've done based on the pictures that you're looking at, the DocuSketch, the Matterport, if there are things that they've done and they didn't list on their scope sheet, so you're not going to get paid for it, or things that you notice that they should be doing on the job and they haven't yet, there's still time, because remember, you're looking at this in real time while the job's still going on. So now you've got the opportunity to not leave money on the table. Because if you go through this process once the job is done, which is what a lot of companies do, it's too late. You can't go back and add more equipment. You can't go back and do the things that you shouldn't have done, right? So if you'll just change your process around a little bit, I guarantee you're going to get more profitable. If you want to talk about the logistics of this and how I might be able to help you, just book a call with me. I guarantee you'll come away from the call with at least a couple of action items that you can put into place right away, even if you don't hire me as your coach. I'll just be happy that you took some action and that you're making positive changes in your business. Book a call with me, and I'll see you in the next video.